DigiKey.
Hi, my name is Randall. I'm the Vice President of Applications Engineering here at DigiKey. DigiKey makes its business to find the latest suppliers, the latest products, the latest technologies, so you can make your products as modern as possible. But one thing that we're doing increasingly is to add higher level components, things that are already built. And I happen to have a couple of those with me today. This first one is a microscope. You know, when I started my career, I didn't need a microscope. My eyes were good and the parts were bigger, so I could solder and work with tiny things. But today the components have gotten so small, turns out you can buy a microscope from DigiKey, including, this is an electronic one, so it's a camera, it's a 1080p resolution, and it comes in two varieties. This unit that I have has a stand, it's got a lens, got a camera, it's got a light ring, and basically what you're able to do then is to set this up, hook it up to a computer, and get very close-ups. So two models. One of them is a 43 times zoom, and what they've got in this little brochure is what a 43 times zoom looks like. But then they've also got one that goes to 185 times zoom, which is much closer. So if you need to record anything on a circuit board, or you want to do some processing by looking for errors and things, we've got a microscope for you. Now the other product I have is something that we are well known for, and that's our relationship with Fluke. But Fluke has had their venerable T5 multimeter. This happens to be their T6. And what's really slick about this is that they've got this field sense technology of theirs such that without touching the electrodes with a non-galvanic connection to a load, you put the wire in this little horseshoe arrangement and it will tell you the AC voltage and the AC current. That's without touching at all. Their technology has a little reference in there that calibrates this so that it's a very safe unit, and that as long as you're grounded, you can make a reading without actually touching wires. It's a slick unit. Thank you for watching.